and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a makeup look to do when you're sick. I am very sick. I'll be very surprised if I don't like cough or have to blow my nose throughout this video, so we're just going to try our best. This makeup look is going to be very simple. I'm going to be using some of the same products that I use every day, just like not as much, because when you're sick you want to look more lively, not like I feel right now. So let's just get started. I want to start by moisturizing my face, so I'm going to use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, and this literally is made with water. Like, it's water based, and you only need like a little bit. You just rub it in circles on your face, and it literally like brings so much moisture to your face, and that's what you need when you're sick, because I feel like a dry piece of paper. Okay, so after you've moisturized your face, I'm going to moisturize my lips, because that's also very important, because my lips get all like dry and cracked and disgusting. So I'm going to use the Coconut Sun Balm chapstick, and it has SPF 30 in it. Next, I'm going to take primer, and I have the Ulta Beauty Color Correcting Primer that reduces redness, and it's actually like green, which is actually kind of weird. I was afraid to put this on my face at first, but now I know that it like blends into your face. So you just want to put this all over. I'm especially red near my nose, so I put it on the side, and I get red around my cheeks. And that should be all blended in. Next, I'm going to be taking some BB cream. It is by Maybelline New York, and it's called Dream BB Cream, and it is in the shade 110 light medium sheer, and it's actually like skin clearing as well. And I don't know about you, but I like get more zits when I'm sick. I don't know why. I think it's just because I'm not really caring about what my skin looks like when I'm sick. And this is really like light coverage, and I don't really need so much coverage when I'm sick. I just want like a little bit just to show that I'm alive. And I just put it on a damp beauty blender, and I'm just rubbing it around my face. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with concealer, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer in the shade Fair Neutral, because I'm very fair. And I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes in like a triangle shape, especially today. Usually I just do like one line, but today it's like I need to look more lively than usual because I don't feel good. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. Ugh, my nose, it's dripping. Next, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder to set all of that. First, I'm going to use my beauty blender to go underneath my eyes and on my forehead. Next, I'm going to do bronzer. I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Matte Looking Bronzer, and this shade is Warm. Okay, so I just did bronzer on my cheeks, on my jawline, by my nose, and on my forehead. Just a light covering because, like I said, I'm not going for like glam here. And then for my eyes, I'm actually going to use some bronzer just to go in my crease, just to like deepen the eyes a little bit. And I'm going to curl my eyelashes because today they're just not doing well at all. Whoa, I can do that without a mirror. I'm skilled. For mascara, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom. This is like my simple everyday mascara. I don't really go crazy with mascaras because I think I was like blessed with nice eyelashes. Ooh, eyebrows. I want to do eyebrows too. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to use this last color in the NYX Natural palette. It's like a brown. It's supposed to be eyeshadow, but sometimes I use it for brow powder, and I don't really do this very often, so bear with me. Let me just spoolie my brows really quick. I don't do brows very often, so if they don't come out very good, then that's why. So that is all for my makeup routine while you're sick. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I start to feel better, and I hope you guys don't get sick, because it really sucks. But I think this look like made me look a little more lively. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!